Welcome to my favorite local island in Maldives, Fulidhoo. Fulidhoo! It is a cute little island. Getting to Fulidhoo is a little complicated. You can either take the Doni, which takes about 4.5 hours, or you can take the fast boat. You can arrange with your guest house like I did, and it takes roughly an hour. I'm in Fulidhoo and I got a place right at the beach, so let's go check out the room and the view. Maldives isn't like any other country. It requires careful planning, especially if you're going to the local islands. So I would definitely recommend you check out my Maldives guide and how to plan your Maldives holiday videos. The link is above. It's also one of the smallest atolls, Vaavu. So this is the mosque and this is the school for the entire atoll. So it's really nice. And this right behind me is the main street of the island. So no 2 points are like more than 10 minutes away. If you're really lazy and slow, 15 minutes away by walking. All the streets are sandy. So ditch your shoes like I did. It's amazing. There's some shops here you can buy stuff from, and I'm gonna show you the island a bit more. There are some amazing surprises here. This is actually one of the best islands in Maldives, like the local ones. Let's go. This is the hammock, Maldivian style. It's not that comfortable, but it's still quite fun. And it's right next to the beach. Do bring some insect repellent because there are a lot of mosquitoes here all year round and they will bite you like crazy. The second thing is you can't go shirtless around the entire island. You can only do it at the Bikini Beach, which is a pretty good stretch of sand and it is amazing at sunset. So we'll do that as well today. And I will show you what, the teeny tiny places around, and they have a huge number of sharks and rays here, stingrays. So let's go. The best magic trick in the entire world I'm gonna show you just now. It is my favorite thing to do in Fulidhoo. All you gotta do is tap on the water and they are here for the food. Oh my god, they're amazing. They're like little doggies. They're happy to be around. Oh my god, look at the dolphins! So many around. We're literally surrounded by them, and this is the best spot for them. Look! Oh, so incredible. Ready to go in. Dolphins, but they're very, very, very hard to catch up to. It's a lot of work. Wow, tired. Oh my god, look at that! So many nurse sharks! Big thank you for Island Break guys for arranging all these activities. I had a lot of fun. It was really amazing. So massive thank you. We are going to the Shipwreck and a Sandbank and a reef. So let's go without wasting more time. Let's go swim with the Shipwreck! There was such a strong current at the Shipwreck. We didn't get to spend much time there, and it was a little cloudy as well, so we came to a sandbank. Look at that. Isn't this absolutely gorgeous? And it looks like I'm the only one here. It's quite fun. So I'm gonna go enjoy myself and I'll see you in a bit. One of the reasons Fulidhoo is so amazing is it has its own house reef, and it is amazing to snorkel in. It's frightening, so all fun. Every single night I come to the jetty to meet some special friends, which are always here. I'm gonna go introduce you to them, but you have to be really careful around them because they can sting really bad if you actually make them distressed. Let's go. food is generally quite basic on the entire island, but it is good. There are only a couple of independent restaurants, but each hotel has their own kitchen and you can easily go around trying different places. I really like the Murid and also the island break. They do amazing this rice dessert with coconut milk. Absolutely delicious. I've gone back like 3 times for it now. So I'm going to Murid for lunch now, and I am tired and starving after all that activity. Let's go get some food. Really happy. Fulidhoo is paradise. Hello there. One of my absolute favorite things to do in Fulidhoo is to just go to the Bikini Beach and watch those beautiful sunsets. No two are ever alike, and it's like a giant cosmic scale light show. That was my first day on Fulidhoo. I woke up, I had some nice breakfast, and then we headed out to the sea, and we first met some amazing dolphins in the lagoon, and there were so many. It must be in hundreds, and they were just so incredible. And then after that, we headed to swim with some nurse sharks. Wow, I had never imagined I'd be so up and close to so many sharks, like all sizes, like bigger than me even. I'm at the Bikini Beach now for the sunset, and then we'll head back to the resort. I will tell you a bit more about the island, but that was my first day. And let's see what else is up in this beautiful, beautiful place. I mean, I'm just really so happy, you can see, right? Has Fulidhoo become your favorite island in Maldives as well? If yes, do let me know in comments, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, you have a beautiful day ahead. This is BrownBoyTravels. Do subscribe, like and share. You can also reach me on Instagram. I'll see you in the next video.